Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have legal permission to access the network. Do not attempt anything otherwise. Once confirmed, go to the router physically and check the label on the underside or back for the default SSID and password. Many routers list them there. If the sticker is missing, ask the owner for credentials now. Make sure to note model and ISP details, because those determine your next steps, and avoid any attempt to bypass protections. Next, use account-based, legitimate routes to retrieve or reset the password. Ask the owner to check their phones, saved network details, or to open their ISP account or router app, which often shows or lets them reset Wi-Fi credentials. If you can plug a laptop into the router via Ethernet with permission, open the router's admin page while the owner watches to view wireless settings. These methods respect security and avoid any attempt to extract passwords without consent. Finally, if no credentials are available and you have explicit permission, perform a factory reset to restore default Wi-Fi credentials listed on the device label. This clears existing settings and forces you to set a new password. Once reset, log into the router's admin with the default details and create a secure password, then reconnect devices. Troubleshooting tip: if you cannot access admin or the ISP locks the device, contact the ISP or the network owner. Do not attempt unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.